after you.
And your Baba. Your Baba, the one that just shapes your hair outside. He's using your hair to perform rituals.
What?
Yes.
My hair! Jesus Christ. My hair! What are you doing with my hair? Look at this useless barber. I paid you to barb my hair. You have the guts to want to use my hairs for rituals? Really? Drop the pot. Now! Come on, drop the pot, they're mad.
Today marks the beginning of your downfall. And everything you've ever worked for will start to collapse today.
Okay, you think that they follow you, play, Abi? You think that they follow you, Joke? At the count of 4, if you've not dropped this pot, I swear to God, your head go fall from your neck. 1, 2, Jesus! Hello? What? What do you mean my 2 warehouses are on fire? How? Wait. Hello, Alex? Let me call you back, please. I've just been told that my 2 warehouses are on fire. Yes. Hello? What? You can't be serious. My containers just sank in the sea? Oh my goodness. Chimo! I'm finished though! Hey! Jesus! No!
Miss Chetachi Omema.
Okay.
You're under arrest for human trafficking and organ harvesting. The boys have been caught and all of them confirmed that you sent them.
Officer, I think you're in the wrong place. I am not a kidnapper, I'm a businesswoman. Please.
Well, when we get to the station, we'll find that out.
What do you mean by when we get to the station? I just said I'm a businesswoman. Are you mad? Are you accusing me falsely? I am not a kidnapper. Please leave my house.
Take it easy. Whatever you say or do could be used against you.
My friend, get out from my house. Are you mad?
Move her out.
Madam, move her out. Let's go.
I will not leave this place. I will not. Show me your proof of arrest. Show it to me. 419.
Inspector, move her out.
Move me to where? Show me your proof of arrest. I'm not leaving my house.
Madam, don't let me use force on you.
Yeah, take her out.
Let's go.
Please move out.
Let's go.
Nonsense.
Move.
I don't want. Is your boss around? Oh, okay. Yeah, good.
Young man, is there a problem?
Yes, I am Inspector Chidi Manuel, and he is Detective Charles. We are from the DSS. We are here for this lady.
For me? Again? What have I done?
We have 4 dead bodies in our office that their deaths align with her name about kidnap and killing. So we are here to arrest her.
Me? I didn't do anything. I didn't do any of this. What is going on?
Young lady, hold it. Well, gentlemen, my name is John Mwakaka. I'm from the Nigerian Police Force. And this young lady here has just been apprehended for organ harvesting and human trafficking.
Me?
We're taking her right now to our station.
This is not me!
Officer, you know the report
Hey!
station already. So I beg you allow us to let her follow us.
Wait, hold on, something is wrong somewhere. What is happening to me? I did not do any of this. I've never killed in my life before. Somebody is accusing me falsely somewhere, so somebody is behind this.
Hold it.
Don't tell me to hold it! You're accusing me,
Hold
me
it!
to hold it! I've never killed in my life before, what is going on?
Madam, you know what?
Somebody is accusing me falsely somewhere.
So officer, move! Joining your queue.
Can wahala be this? I've never killed in my life before.
Move!
What is going on? Hey. I didn't do any of this.
Enter!
I didn't kill now.
Enter!
See as they carry madam like saying a hardened criminal. I don't understand.
I don't even know what is going on. Hey.
What you go do now?
Hey! Hey! What kind of a dream is this? Mama?
Hello? Chetachi? Someone is making an evil ritual with your hair. You have to be extremely careful.
Mama, same with me. I just had a nightmare. And it's the same revelation with yours. So my barber is up to something evil?
You have to be extremely careful. Oh?
I'll be careful, Mama.
I saw everything you had collapsed. All you owned collapsed to the extent that you started begging for food to eat.
I'll be careful.
Please, you have to be very careful. Your hair is tied to your destiny. So be very careful where you shave it. That is the message. You hear?
Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Baba.
Apana.
You don't come already.
You know as they be now. They not your madam dey inside.
Yes, she did. Okay. But you go there here, wait for him. She dey come.
One step forward, your head will be dangling on the floor. So you're planning to use my head for rituals, right?
Your hair is for rituals.
Do you know who you're working for? You're working for Chetachi no Ogidi, the daughter of the blind seer. Before my enemies plan against me, it will be revealed to me in my dream.
But madam, I have no such intentions towards you. You've been so good to me.
It is always the people we are nice to that turn around to hurt us. You have 30 seconds to leave this compound, else your head will fall on the floor. 30 seconds!
They go. Madam, don't talk on again. Oh yeah. They go. He put me for everything. Oh, no, go allow that one. Come again. I need to cut your hair down. This guy get bad mind. What?
Repeat after me. Ego di n'ọgwụ. Ego di n'ọgwụ. Ego di n'oke ọgwụ. Ike di n'oke ọgwụ. Ike di n'ọgwụ. Ike di n'ọgwụ. Ike di n'oke ọgwụ. Ike di n'oke ọgwụ. Ike di n'ọgwụ. Ike di n'ọgwụ. Ike di n'oke ọgwụ. Ike di n'oke ọgwụ. This is the pot of wealth. Ajakike, the great god of money. My name is Ochendo Anayochukwu. I'm tired of answering Anayo. In fact, I chose me Yochukwu. I need fast and quick money. I'm an ordinary barber. I barb people's hair. I want to stop. In fact, I want to barb money henceforth. You may go now, but we see. Ego na Safo. Ego na Bahara. Yes. You have been doing this for others. I know you will do it for me. Yes.
Now, go and open your shop. Get me the hair of a rich customer. Put it in his box. Do it quickly. Put it in this pot and bring it back to me.
Great one. My shop is located in a remote area, a local place. I do not have rich customers.
Don't lie. If you are destined to be rich, rich customer will come. Put their hair in this pot and bring it to me. And then their riches, their wealth, and their star will come back to you. Now take it.
Thank you, great one. Thank you.
You can go. Ajaka.
Hey, Ochendo, mama. Hi. I give me the phone.
No be lie be this. I be this one alarm.
Hey, my guy, no, best Jaro. My clip are no good. As you can see, he say get the one that they try to prepare for the now.
The clip are no good. On all the whole 4 clippers where you get. All the whole 4 clippers where you get.
What happened?
No be 4 clippers you get.
You follow me get this shop?
No sir.
You the parents for here?
Sorry sir.
What be your problem? Let me get this shop. Let me tell you say my clip are no good. I beg make you go next place, go back. Eh?
Nah, I no go fit back for that place. Now here I want back.
You say?
Now here I want back sir.
I beg come dey go.
No, nah,
Come dey go next place now.
You never reach like that now. You know the
Barber shop full everywhere. Go there, go back.
Now
Now my first
that side.
You say?
I don't buy my hair for that side.
You know, now here. I beg no carry your father from here. I beg. Come on, come on, you go and that place now. We can't do this one. You won't carry your poverty come here can affect me. Which kind of nonsense be this? You go to my yao. You're modeling a big part of poverty. Bring bad luck to me. Hey, God, I beg you. God, I beg you. Eh? To be a man. To be a man is not a day job. Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I want to barb my hair. Like carve my hair a little bit.
You are the right place. Please come and sit down.
Thank you. Hello? No, dear, I'm not at home. I left the house just now to barb my hair. My barber. My dear, don't worry. That is a gist for another day. When we see, we will talk about it. Alright, dear.
Mama, what is it again? What have you seen that is making you to cry like this?
What I'm seeing is not good though. I keep seeing your sister in a miserable situation.
God forbid.
Please call her for me again.
No, Mama, not again.
Call her.
I won't call her. You've already spoke with her this morning and told her about the vision you had. Calling her repeatedly will put fear in her. Please, stop crying as if someone died. Mama, stop crying, okay? Stop crying.
What I'm seeing about Chetechi is not good at all.
Listen. Nothing is going to happen to my sister. She's not going to die.
What I'm seeing about Chetechi is not good at all.
Nothing will happen to her. She's okay. Stop crying. Nothing is going to happen to my sister. You have already gave her the revelation. And I believe she will be extremely careful. Nothing is going to happen to her. She's not going to die. Okay? Stop crying. She's not going to die. My sister will never die in Jesus' name.
Nice.
Okay. This is so nice.
I know. I can see it. Well carved.
Thank you.
Okay. Have this.
No, Awad, it's just 2,000 naira.
No. This is my own little way of appreciating entrepreneurs like you.
Hey! Dollar!
Dollars.
Dollar! I have never been paid in dollars before in my entire life. Hey! Thank you so... Sorry. I'm just so excited. Hey! Thank you. God will bless you. Anything you lay your hands on, most... in fact, God will bless you more and more.
I have to get going.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright.
Let me help you.
$100. Hey! Thank God, oh. In fact, God has answered my prayer.
Where is the money the customer? Aga Yoke. Anu kife. Anu parangu de jono. Ike di nogu. Ike di no kogu. Ike di nogu. Ike di no kogu. Ike di nogu. The deity that I serve. The destiny changer. It is time to change the destiny of Ochendo and Ayochukwu. Exchange the destiny of the owner of this hair and money to Ochendo and Ayochukwu. He say, let there be an instant change of destiny and star, destiny and glory to Anayochukwu. He say, I have spoken, and so shall it be.
My car is on fire.
It is done. The destiny has been exchanged. The events that will make her broke and miserable will begin to happen in her life right now. Now, you are not allowed to open any business. Yes. Spend from this money and it will never finish. Take it.
Great one, I don't understand. You mean I should not open any business? I should keep spending from this box. It will not finish. Yeah,
you are questioning the great gods. As long as you come back here every last day of the month to renew the ritual. If you fail to come back to renew the ritual any last day of any month, you will run mad and her destiny will return to her.
May the gods forbid. Even if I'm in America, I will take the next flight and come back and perform the ritual. I will always come. Thank you, Zedibia.
You can go. Go and enjoy your wealth.
Thank you, Zedibia. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Paul!
Madam.
Come. What is going on here? Why is there police on the campus?
Miss Chetachi Omema, you're under arrest for the illegal importation of firearms into the country. I advise that you comply with us, because anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
I don't understand, officer. Officer, I think there's a mix-up somewhere.
I import only electronic devices. I don't deal with firearms. Charles, what is going on? Eh?
I should be the one asking you that, madam. Why do you want to put me into trouble? You didn't tell me you included firearms in the container.
Charles, what are you saying? We've been doing business for over 5 years now. You know me. You know me so well. I only import electronic devices. I don't deal with ammunition. What are you talking about?
Madam, I advise that you comply with us amicably to avoid the use of force. Please, get into the vehicle.
But something is wrong somewhere. I don't deal with firearms for crying out loud. I'm a businesswoman.
You write it down.
Madam, enter the vehicle. Okay.
So you're one of the unruly, evil citizens that import firearms into this nation to destabilize it. Start talking. I need names. Who are your colleagues? Who do you work for? And who do you supply these firearms to?
I have no hand in the firearms you saw in my container. I don't know how they got there. You have to believe me.
So who put them there? Did I put them there? How did he get in your container?
How am I supposed to know? I'm a businesswoman. I only import electronic devices. Anything else found in my containers is not mine. I would like to speak to my lawyer.
I know your type. You only speak when you're finally in front of a judge. First thing tomorrow morning, you're going to be in court. You'll be used as a scapegoat for the rest of the citizens who think they can turn this nation into a banana republic.
You have to be very careful. Your hair is tied to your destiny. So be very careful where you shave it. That is the message. That is the message.
Officer! Officer! Officer, please, I need my phone. I need to make an urgent call, please. It's urgent. It's important, please. Officer! Officer! Officer!
Eh? What is it? Eh? Why are you shouting? What is it?
Officer, please. I need to make this call. It's very important to me. As a matter of fact, my life depends on it. I beg you with everything that you hold sacred to your heart. Please give me my phone. Let me make the call. I know who did this to me. Please.
I'm sorry. My boss did not give me the approval to allow you make any secret calls.
Officer, it's not a secret call. You'll be here. You will listen to everything. I know who did this to me. I'm innocent. The person that did this to me is walking about freely and I'm here suffering. Just give me my phone. Let me make this call, please. I beg you in the name of God. Please. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Pick your call, you bastard. Pick your call. What did you do to me? What did you use my hair for? Undo what you did to me now. This is Chetachi, the customer that carved her hair in your shop earlier today. Ever since I left your shop, misfortunes have been following me around. Accusations from different angles. As we speak, I'm in the police station, awaiting trials I know nothing about. My businesses have collapsed. I have lost everything. What did you fucking do to me? What did you use my hair for? Listen, I am not asking you to undo what you did to me. I am ordering you to undo what you did to me now. Because if I come out from this place, you will kiss the dust. I will track you and I will sniff life off you. Undo what you did to me, because if I come out, you'll be gone.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sudden billionaire, agenda one mama, Oliago Lukego, Odamuaka, Italy, Japan,
Your sons have arrived. Your sons have arrived. You suffered for me. It is time for you to enjoy. Oh yeah.
All this one. So at last, more in this village, people will stop laughing at me. My son has made money. He has made money. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh, Mob, Daloso. Hey!
Amen, no, brother. I'm so proud of you. Finally, our enemies have been put to shame. Those who thought that we'll never make it should come and see, oh. They should come and see, oh. See my brother now. See what the Lord has done.
Yes, my dear sister. So let me tell you something. There's no one in abject poverty that will be proud of him or herself.
One.
Anyone in abject poverty is not supposed to be proud of himself.
One.
It's only when you make money you can be proud of yourself.
Yes, brother.
So you can say that again anyway. Mama, this is just the beginning.
How?
You know that my friend, the one in Germany,
Hey.
he assured me that as long as I continue to do business with him with all honesty, that he will keep shipping cars to me to sell, keep the profits while I send the rest to him. So you can see, God is in action.
I'm telling you. Tell your friend, God will continue to bless him.
Amen.
He will never lack.
Amen.
God will bless him 100-fold,
Amen.
million-fold.
Amen.
Hey! Hey!
What is this question that I'm hearing? What's happening in the kingdom?
Today is Imanu Chikwado. Chikwado Ubuoken. He's been crowned the new king of this land today.
This will not happen. What are you talking about? Can't go with kingship. Ma, please, if this is a joke, please stop it. Who is the person? Does it have a name? This kingship is for me. And for me alone, nobody can do anything about it. I came home here to take the mantle of leadership, and there is nothing anybody can do about it. They can't do it, but does it have a name? Let's go! Come on, let's go! Let's go!
Ochendo! I don't understand. Ochendo! Don't do anything stupid, though! Hey!
Sudden Vilania, Ochendo Mama, Oliago Nukego, Odaguake, Italy, Jabendima, Velubutike, Oliago Nukego, Odaguake, Ochendo de chop money, on the Lysia, money no be well again, money no be his wala. If you carry to the moon, come, he go challenge.
Okakara Kerugo. Ohofe kwenu? Yeah. Kwenu? Yeah. Ndiche kwezono.
Chikwado, my son. Never in some Okwagere and Watanaka here. As the traditional Prime Minister of Ohofia Kingdom, I hereby
What's the meaning of this nuisance you're constituting here?
Is this how you are saying the coronation? Aggressively, with your voice?
Poor people and bad grammar. Ejo Yoruba achi obodo. Ejo Oyibo edozi obodo. Inwele ego ina-azo igwe. Look at you. I have not come to grace your coronation, but I've come to put an end to this one because it will not hold. I've come to stop it. Oh no, hand over the crown to me.
What is he saying? My son, do you understand what you are doing? In Ohofia Kingdom, no one will ever take the kingship by force. Chikwado is the chosen one, and he must be crowned as king.
He has been unchosen by me. Yes, and I overrule every decision you elders have made to crown this nincompoop a king. I am the next king of this great kingdom. Hand over the crown to me now. Hand it over.
That will never happen. Not under my watch.
Hand it over to me. You all.
Sudden Vilania, Ochendo Mama, Oliago Nukego, Odaguake, Italy, Jabendima, Velubutike, Oliago Nukego, Odaguake, Ochendo de chop money, on the Lysia, money to be.
Do you know what you have just done? You have committed an abomination. How come? Why will you do that? You want to put us in trouble? What's your problem?
Mama, please. Take it easy on yourself. You know you have BP. Take it easy. Have you forgotten? No, tell me. Have you forgotten how these people denied my father the opportunity to be the next king of this kingdom? He was denied the opportunity by men that have power, money, and influence. It is payback time. Yes, it is time for me to reclaim the lost glory of our family.
Mama, I support brother I support you, brother. I was just 6 years old, but I could still remember how Papa cried like a baby when the kingship got stolen away from him. Mama, it is time for us to take back that which belongs to us. It is time, oh.
What do you know? Do you know what you just done? I don't want the others trouble. I don't want them. I don't want their problem.
Mama, please, forget about the elders. Your son here have made money. When I talk about money, I talk about money that runs in foreign currencies. Abatago meego. Kawapage. Onye jiego jimba. And as for those elders, they have no choice. They will crown me the next king in the coming days. They have no choice. Omo akulie.
I'm not there. You understand me? What kind of thing is this now? What kind of thing is this?
Call you in, Mama.
Ha! Now wow!
But I don't mind Mama. Don't mind her.
This is my problem with Mama. She's just too sentimental.
I just tired.
Are we going to watch this happen? Are we going to sit here and fold our hands like nothing just happened? Uchendo has desecrated our land. He must be punished. Banished with his entire family.
Chikwado, calm down. Calm down. We are not cowards. We are from this Ohafia. We have people like him. Here is where money flows. We have people like him. And we know how to handle him. Just calm down.
Oh no. We must act fast. We must take action immediately. He must clear this land with 2 cows. And if he refuses to do it, he will not leave us with any choice than to banish him and his entire family.
You don't worry, Chekalo, don't worry. We are going to handle him. Don't worry.
I saw John with the crown. What happened?
It's alright. It's alright. We are going to.
Oh, just...
It's okay, it's okay. Just relax. It's okay. Relax. We are going to handle it. It's okay. We know his time. There's no problem.
It's ringing. Take it.
Not picking. She's not picking. I told you something has happened to her. Something bad has happened to my daughter.
Mama, please. Enough of this your negative thoughts. She might be busy with work.
Which work? Busy with work since yesterday. Since yesterday.
Okay, Mama, let's wait till evening. She might call back. Okay, you know what? Let me call her. Let me call her. Let me call. I'm calling her.
You need to go to the city.
Mama, I'm calling her. Mama, she's not picking, oh. Let me call again. Jetta, pick. Pick your call. Mama, she's not picking, oh.
Go see, you have to go to the city.
No, let me still call her. Let me call her.
Hey! Ooh. You have to go to the city. You have to go to the city. Don't do terrible. It's happened to my daughter.
This is your sister calling. Pick the call. Pick it. This might be the last time you speak with her. We are taking you to the court this morning. Yes, and definitely you will be convicted.
Hello, Kosi. How are you? She just picked the call. I've been busy with work. Sorry I've not been picking your calls.
Sister, Mama has been so worried about you. Let me give her the phone. Hello? Tetachi, are you okay?
Ma, I'm fine. I've just been busy with work. Everything is okay, alright? You don't need to worry about me.
Are you sure you are okay? Tetachi, can you come home this weekend? I want to see you.
Mama, it won't be possible, oh. I'll be traveling out for business, but when I come back, I'll see you.
I want to see you, my daughter.
Okay, Mama.
Sudden billionaire, agenda one mama, Oliago Nukego, Odago Wake, Italy, Jabendimo, Velubutike, Oliago Nukego, Odago Wake, Ogenda de chop money, on the Lycia, money no be well again, money no be his wala. If you carry to the come. He go challenge you with money. If you want challenge him, he's ever ready for you. Agenda is a money. Oliego Nukego. Sudden villainy.
I beg you. Do not pronounce judgment on my family. I beg you in the name of God. Speak on. We can sort this out. Speak on.
Woman, there is nothing to sort out here. There is nothing to sort out. Your son has discredited this land. He committed abomination. Your son is going to clean this land, or else we banish your family.
Hey!
Oh no, you have gone mad. You are crazy. If not, you wouldn't come here and spew nonsense. Have you forgotten how the late Igwe robbed my father the opportunity of becoming the next king of this great kingdom? Did you banish his family? The answer is no, so you have no right. I've forgotten. You were part of the plan, and that was why the late Igwe rewarded you with the position of a prime minister. But you see this? You see this crown in my hands? I will become the next king of this kingdom, and there is nothing you can do about it.
Uchendo, you were still in your mother's womb when men started making money in this land. Uchendo, are you the first person to make money in this land? Uchendo, we are giving you 48 hours. 48 hours, Uchendo, to return that crown and the staff, or else you and your whole family will be banished from this land.
And that is our decision.
Spider! Burn this nonsense.
You dare not! Ochendo, you dare not!
Watch me as I do this.
Burn this!
The elders,
Gather all your soldiers. Gather everyone to banish my family, and that will end your existence. Yes.
Is that why you make money? Is that why you came back to this community to start war in your own land? What's the problem? What can I do?
There is a difference between fighting my own right and starting a war. If this is the thing I have to do, then let there be war. Yes.
Ochendo. Hey! If I slap you, get that from your sister. What is all this? What is all this nonsense for now?
Ochendo wa mama. Oliego Nukego. Odago Wake. Italy Jabendimo. Velubutike. Oliego Nukego. Odago Wake. Ochendo de chop money. On the Lycia. Money no be well again. Money no be his wala. If you carry to the come, he go challenge you with money. If you want challenge him, he's ever ready for you. Agenda is a money.
Go down! Down! Come on, go down! Where is your nose? Quiet! Please, please. You should come there. Enough. I don't want to hear your voice. Do not want to hear your voice. By the time I am done with the both of you, in your next life, you will learn to behave well.
Hey! Please, la. Please. Please. Bring me back. Come on, go down.
Have you seen how you shiver like a child?
I'm a child here.
I will make sure I chop off your head and beat the beast in the forest. Yes, I said so.
Please, now. Please, be quiet now. Shut up, Johnson, man. Shh. I want to go home, please. Please, I want to go home. Shh. Quiet!
Quiet! 20 years ago, you stole the mantle of kingship from my father because he was the nobody. But a palm wine tapper. You remember, right?
Yeah, yes.
You do?
Yes, we remember.
Today, his son have grown into a great man. The man that single-handedly puts money to shame.
Yes, please. I want to go.
Today, I have come to reclaim what rightfully belonged to me. And you fools say no?
No.
You threatened to banish me and my family if I fail to return the crown and 2 cows. Shut up, I do not want to hear your voices.
Please, we will support you. We will support you. Anything that you want, we will do it. We will do it. Please.
You will support me?
Yes,
we will
support you. Yes, we will support you. In short, you are our king. You are our king. You are our king. You are our king. You are our king.
They will support you.
Yes. Igwe. You are our king.
Shut up! A man held captive can promise anything, even his own life. And when released, he will go and do what is in his mind.
Don't shoot, please. Please, don't shoot. Please, drop the gun. I will not run, please.
Come on,
You all are going to swear that you will crown me king.
Yes,
and support my reign as king of this land.
We will swear.
Ochendo, I will not swear. I will not swear. Why do you want to force yourself on the people? And you know that I will not swear.
No.
I will never swear.
Vigo!
Yes, boss!
slice his throat.
Hey! Come on, go like, come on.
Yeah.
Go like this. Hey, go down. Johnson, man. Down. You mean it?
Come on. Come on.
How? Slice! I will swear. I will swear. I will swear. I will swear.
Oh no, will you know that I have short fuse? Do not provoke me because I can kill you here, right here and now, and nobody will know about it. In fact, no one will do anything about it.
I will swear, sir. I will swear. I will swear.
Have you all agreed to swear?
Yes. I will swear. We will swear.
You will swear an oath for me by touching this staff. If you go against it, then you all will die.
We will swear.
Swear!
Come on, what did you swear? We swear by this staff of office that we are going to crown you king and support your reign. If we go against it, we will die.
Did you hear that sound?
We heard it.
That shows that your voices have been heard and recorded by the oracle that I serve. If you all go against it, you all will die.
Sudden Bilania, Ochenda Wamama, Oliago Nukego, Odaguake, Italy, Jabendimo, Velubutike, Oliago Nukego, Odaguake, Ochenda de chop money, on the Lycia.
This is good.
I like
it. Gamaka.
Good. I give these drinks to special people. It doesn't come out like that.
It's good. Ochen. Agonaya.
I'm walking up.
You must be a blessing to this land.
I know.
Can I say that again? You are the true son of your father. In fact, this kingdom needs men like you at the helm of affairs.
Well, now you're talking. I will transform this kingdom. I have the money, the resources, the connection to transform this kingdom to Dubai.
Okay, hey, Ekweme. Hey, you are right.
I don't know what your brother gave to these elders that made them change their mind. But we don't have the ones that were here yesterday with palm fronts. That says your brother should return the crown with 2 cows, else they will banish us from this kingdom. So what are they doing here? Why is some change of mind?
Mama, what do you expect from hungry elders? All they worship is money. Just give them money and they will do anything you say.
Are you sure it's money? Because from what I'm seeing here now, what he gave them is more than money. Just like that, all of a sudden.
Just like that.
Ha! Well, let's go inside.
Your graduation will be coming in 7 days. In 7 days, we need to crown you as soon as possible, so that you can move this kingdom forward.
Well, I provide everything. Right.
But there's something you must do. Yes, you must get a wife for yourself.
Exactly. What Ibe said is the truth. You cannot be crowned without a wife. So you have to get yourself a woman to marry before your coronation.
It's all right. You know, a man that has money has wives already. It's just for me to pinpoint one girl And the rest will be history.
Get another couple, yeah.
Yes. The guy will go and be giving Thanksgiving.
You know what's going on here?
You greedy elders. What's going on here?
Watch your tongue, Chapman. Is something wrong with your head? Is it the elders in council you are calling greedy? Watch your tongue. How dare you, Chikwado?
Well, I don't see you, elders in council. What I see here, elders in shame. You sit here and dine with a man that desecrated our land.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up! You toothless bulldog. How did you get in here in the first place? What do you know about a man desecrating a land? Just imagine a poor rat telling a wealthy man, a man that has money, about desecrating a land. Are you insane? Something wrong with you? Now listen to me. I am the light of this community, the future of Ohofia kingdom. I beseech you, leave my compound now. Leave!
You have watched them, right? You've succeeded. I promise you just one thing. This will not stand. This conspiracy against myself and my family will not stand. I will stop you all. No man can take what rightfully belongs to me.
Mr. Man, go and make money and start wearing oversized clothes. Leave here, leave my compound.
We shall see.
What is this?
We all shall see.
Go and find money.
Do you have the resources to run the affairs of this kingdom? Is something wrong with you? How do you want to survive this kingdom? You don't have any resources. Please, my elders, I'm really sorry about this interruption. Go. Man, poor people with your mentality. Look at it. Please enjoy yourselves, please. Please go. Enjoy yourselves. If you are done with this.
Hey, babe. Come on there. Come on there. Babe, please, call me now. You won't kill me here? Come on there. Come on there fast, babe. Babe, better please, they call me. Just carry yourself go cover. Now, person tell you, babe, go to shoot gun. You know what you carry me come here? Don't try your next time. Why you there they cry now? You don't go shoot gun, they cry. Which kind of gun did they shoot? When we say for cricket, go ask about me. For River State Creek, you know what did happen? I don't shoot, I don't bite my hair. I buy enough. For cricket, I don't kill people like this. You know how many people I don't kill? See, don't try them. I don't tell you 5 years. I still get 10 years. Why see they can't go? Then they cry, I beg, oh your mind. Which can't go where they go shoot? People where they shoot go and then they cry. What did they make you cry now? Oh your mind, who that?
Of your kingdom. The man that single-handedly puts money to shame. Put it on.
Oh God. Go Amaka.
That's him, officer. The man that stole what rightfully belongs to me.
Why? What is the meaning of this? Have you gotten out?
I greet you, my king.
You say?